Full Belly Travels finally got a car.
We're going on a road trip from Seoul to Gangwon-do.
This was our first road trip, and the major highlight of this trip was 맹이네 솥뚜껑 in Wonju. This restaurant follows an important guideline that I think is crucial for any matcha to follow, and that is to have a small menu. The family that runs this place only serves two main dishes in a very unique way. The menu consists of tteokbokkeum or spicy stewed chicken, and samgyeopsal, Korean barbecue. But this place does it different, over wood fire in a cast iron pot lid. Never had samgyeopsal cooked like this. So we had to try it, and honestly, it was an absolutely incredible Korean barbecue experience. And I want to share it with you right now.
한 판을 시켜야 되는 거지, 그죠? So the basic order is 600 grams, which is 3 meals, 3 portion.
Let's just try and do it.
Okay. 그러면 한 판 주세요. 네.
All the wood fire cooking was done in the sectioned off smoky room. Cooking in a pot lid with wood fire doesn't seem easy, so when you go, make sure that you call ahead or make a reservation. They try and have all the cooking done before you arrive due to this difficult cooking process. But I had to come and get these amazing shots of this cooking method. He starts by basically blowtorching the wood in the pot lid. Once the fire is started, he juggles the pots of tteokbokkeum and the pork belly.
He told me to go outside because your eyes get spicy. So your eyes burn in there, so I had to take a break from there. There's ventilation, but it's still really smoky when you got like 6 stoves going. It's so hot and smoky that my mask is cracked.
When the cooking is mostly done, they reel it out to you and show you the glorious fire-seared meats and caramelized veggies. The family at this restaurant were so generous and super nice to us. They made us feel so comfortable, it felt like we were eating in their home.
감사합니다.
네. 이 오겹살이랑 껍질이 있어서 좀 딱딱할 수도 있어요. 그러면 한 껍질 이렇게 벗겨 넣으면 돼요. 껍질을 더 익은 맛이니까 크게 자를 거예요. 이렇게 치면 이렇게 깔고 이거 쌈장 제가 만든 거. 됐다. 얘를 꼭 넣어. 얘를 꼭 넣어요? 네, 꼭 넣어야 돼. 그리고 이걸 말아. 네. 뜨거워, 푹 해. 그리고 그걸 말아. This is her suggestion. So we just wrap it up like this, and this is the proper way to eat it. That's so good. 또 감자.
It's like a potato chip.
포테이토 칩.
Wow.
좋아요?
You? Big size.
큰 사이즈, 빅 사이즈.
So samgyeopsal, house doenjang, and that's it?
Yeah. Oh, she said you must put onion.
Onion?
Yeah, you must.
I'm so excited. Wow. So juicy. So good. Wow. I want to drink beer here so bad. We got a lot of food to eat. I can't get over these potatoes. They're like crispy on the edges, creamy in the middle. This weekend is amazing. Pandu yesterday, one of the best samgyeopsals I think today. So like crispy and caramelized. I have to admit, the bite that they set up with the fresh kimchi and the doenjang and the onion and the samgyeopsal is a really good bite. It's one of the best bites I've had for barbecue. I want to try the meat alone. I wouldn't say that it's burnt. It's just heavily caramelized. And here, this makes me extremely happy. Those onions are so sweet and caramelized. You gotta try the onions with the samgyeopsal chao. So good. Oh, 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
계란찜하고 계란말이 중간에.
아 진짜요? This is the service and it's between the 계란찜 and 계란말이. So you will taste something different. Every bite is so delicious.
So they're so nice here. They just gave us some keran for service. Oh man, this looks so crispy. Some egg roll as service, and it looks so good. Look at that steam. I want to do something egg, potato, and samgyeopsal in one bite. Doesn't that look amazing? Do that taste just like a breakfast bite. Wow, so good here. I'm so impressed. This is like the best breakfast ever. So fluffy, right?
It looks like 계란말이, but it isn't. Like it looks like it tastes like a 계란찜. Crazy! How can they make this one? It's incredible. Tastes like hash brown.
An amazing combination is this potato and egg. Potato and egg, Korean style. I don't know how they get the egg so like buttery and fluffy.
Yeah.
It might look a little burnt, but I love it like this. I mean, I love it like crispy. They usually don't cook it crispy in Korea.
Right.
Wrap it up. Look at that. This place is amazing. This tofu is like a brick. This weighs like 2 pounds. Feel it.
It's so heavy. You're right.
This tofu must have like absorbed all of the grease and fat. Tofu's got like a crispy edge. Like, it tastes so like clean. I don't understand. Does that make sense? Clean tofu? Doesn't that make sense now?
Yeah.
This is an amazing bite. Tofu and moo kimchi.
Try with this kimchi.
Oh wow. Where do those flavors come from? The water kimchi. So delicious.
Yeah, this is really good, right?
Yeah.
I think we need more kimchi.
Okay. You can make wraps.
Yeah.
This is the last piece of samgyeopsal. tastes like breakfast. I can tell this is truly unique, amazing food.
Yeah.
Every little ingredient is so good. Next time I come, I need to try their tteokbokkeum.
Even it has a 3 portion of the meal, but we don't have any problem to finish this. Yeah, but look at our bowl. We almost finished it. And owner is so kind.
I really do think this is the best Korean barbecue experience ever.
헐게.
너를 위해 준비했다 해줘.
Prepare this heart for you.
핸섬 보이.
감사합니다.
남은 삼겹살을 다 넣었어. 김치도 쫑쫑 끓여.
I usually don't get bokkeumbap at the end, but I feel like at a place like this you have to. Egg and bokkeumbap, 맛있어요. I like the corn. There's corn in there, it's good.
The good choice, and then lady said you must eat fried rice. 맛있네.
They have Coke in a glass bottle. This is not easy to find in the city. It just tastes better out of a glass bottle. You want to try? Try it. So unfortunately, it's come to the sad time of the meal where everything is finishing and you eat the bokkeumbap. I don't really know of a lot to do in Wonju, but I think this is the reason to come to Wonju. Finishing up this meal. After this, we're driving to Sokjo. Gonna make some videos there. Stay tuned for that. But like, this is an amazing barbecue experience. I can't say that enough. Comment below if you want me to try the tteokbokkeum here, because they also do tteokbokkeum. It looks amazing as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this amazing experience. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because we have some amazing videos coming. And thank you for watching.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
닭국좀 다 먹으러 다시 오겠다고. 네.
전화하고 와요.
네네. 안녕히 계세요.
감사합니다.